Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Rodeo, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our expert movers help make your long-distance move a lot easier. Whether you're moving just one state over or want to move across the nation, we're here to help you. With us, you'll receive all of the best moving services to make your move so much easier. Working with our team guarantees you receive access to all the basic long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you want to hire a California moving company, justifying the cost may seem tough. A better look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a wise choice. You will certainly save time with your local relocation if you hire a moving company. It will also help you keep from having to take care of any heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you get a very efficient move from beginning to end. Moving day becomes easier with 3 movers simply because we streamline your whole entire move. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can handle in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rodeo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.